Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look like trash right now, but I really did not want to get changed to do my makeup just for one YouTube video because I couldn't be asked, and I didn't think it was that deep, but you might think it was that deep because I look horrendous, but I couldn't care less. This is me during quarantine. It's a reality. It's my reality even. So yeah, this is my dressing gown. It is super comfy and I literally wear it every day, so don't at me, but yeah. So in today's video I'm going to be making Nutella brownies. I'm only going to be using 3 ingredients. It's currently like trending. A lot of people are doing 3 ingredients like baking and cooking. So mainly baking. I don't think you can cook with just 3 ingredients. I don't know if you can, I don't know. But yeah, I thought I'd try it. I absolutely love Nutella and I showed my mum and she was just like, oh my god, please make them. So yeah, we've got like dinner that I made, which is cream prawn jalfrezi from last night. So I'm gonna basically make these brownies and then have like vanilla ice cream. My mum's got rum and raisin ice cream because her and my dad love that. Who likes raisin, period. And then in ice cream, ew. But yeah, so that is the plan. And I did a poll on Instagram asking if people wanted me to record it, and apparently they do, so this is me recording it. So if you guys want to see how I make these Nutella brownies, then please keep watching. Before you do, and before you get to the end of my video though, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, you're hella rude. You're rude. So go do that. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment with what you thought, whether you think they look nice, because I'm hoping they will come out nice. Whether you've made this before. I'm not sure if you can post pictures on YouTube in the comments, but if you can, then post how your brownies looked if you did make them, because I'd be interested to see that. But yeah, I'm going to stop waffling now and start this. So if you want to see how I make these brownies, then please keep watching. So I've got all my ingredients ready, and I've literally just looked at myself in the mirror and realised how greasy my hair is. And today's my wash day, guys, don't worry. I don't just keep my hair like this for 2 weeks, although sometimes I do. But don't act like you don't do that either. But yeah, wow, I'm actually getting too brave coming on YouTube looking like this, but you know, hey ho, this is how we do it apparently. So what I'm going to do is I've already measured out everything, but except this, because this is basically like less than a half of the pot is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to start off by putting the Nutella into the pot. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Oh my god, I love Nutella. Right. You know what? Let's speed this up. Am I the only one that likes to like lick this? Oh. Wow, I haven't had Nutella in so long. This tastes so good. This is a bit of a crappy angle, but when I put you up too high, then you can't see nothing. So it's fine, you don't need to see my face. But this is basically the Nutella measured out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to crack 2 eggs now into this. Wow, this did not want to crack. Oh god, I hate cracking eggs. Oh crap, right, that was really bad. Guys, this is not how I normally crack my eggs. That was pretty skillful actually. Skillful, what? Right. Right, so now that I've cracked the eggs, I'm going to mix that. Right, so now that I've added, oh my god, these plants. Look at that. Right, so now that I've added this, I'm going to mix it up. Wow, this Nutella is stoosh. This is so weird. Who ever thought to add chocolate and eggs? Right, I'm just mixing and mixing until it has this kind of consistency. But now I'm going to add flour. So this is half a cup of flour. It's plain flour, by the way, guys. But I don't think it really matters what flour you use. Obviously, don't use like self-raising, but plain is probably your best bet. Wow, this is going into my face. My nails are so long that it's digging into my skin. Maybe not hold it like that. Yeah, that's better. Alright, let's get the sides. So this is really quick. You're only going to bake it for 18 minutes, which is nothing if you think about it. So it's kind of like, look at that. Ooh, yeah. So yeah, so you've mixed it all nice. So now you're ready to put it in your baking tin. Yeah, and one thing I should have mentioned is that I preheated the oven as well. Once I measured out all the ingredients, because then it won't take as long for the oven to reach the temperature. The temperature is 180 degrees and you're just putting it there for 18 minutes. So yeah, I've already preheated it. So now I need to get my baking tin and line it with parchment paper and then pour it in. So we've lined up the tin with parchment paper. As you can see, we don't actually have the proper size that is needed. So what my mum's done to improvise is that she's put another smaller tin, so to cut it off to make it the right size. So it's square, and then we're just going to pour it in and cook it. That's basically it. So I'm just spreading it now onto the paper. Make sure you get the corners and spread it evenly. So this is the brownie, and we're gonna serve it with some ice cream for dessert after dinner. But yeah, this is pretty much it. It was super easy, didn't even take long. It's quite thick in consistency, so really nice texture for brownies. So if you guys want dessert on a random day and you have all the ingredients, then make this brownie. So as you can see, I've cut the brownie into small square pieces. I've paired mine with the Cartador vanilla ice cream. It smells so good, guys. I actually can't wait to dig in and try it. I can't believe how easy and quick this was to make. If I knew how quick this was going to be, I would have made it ages ago. But honestly, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.